Vince, what's up?
Hey, how's it going?
Welcome to Skydive Elsinore.
Thank you. It's beautiful here.
Yeah, really nice day. Who do you have with you here?
It's my dad.
All right, cool.
Joe.
So whose idea was it to go skydiving?
It was mine for my birthday, my 20th birthday.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. And yeah, we're just out here just having a good time.
All right, sounds good. All right, have fun, and I'll see you in a bit.
All right, thanks.
Down on your right knee. Down on my right knee. You're gonna get me to grab your harness. Smile at Susie there. She's got the camera. Here we go. Ready, set, go, and out the door. Step out the door. As soon as you're out the door, do that arch. Hips forward. Knees back. Feet up on his butt. Then when he taps you, bring your hands out to the side, laugh and scream, and go. Woo! Laugh, scream, have a good time. At some point down around 6,000 feet, they may show you an altimeter or wave or do something. But you know, somewhere about there, you're going to find a golf ball. And also rip forward. Okay. Forward below the parachute. The main thing.
I love all of you.
All right, but we're optimists, so we're optimists.
Oh, well, I'm sorry that you're not doing this and I am. This is going to be a great time.
Sounds good. They're missing out.
Yeah, they are.
Have fun, Vince. Happy birthday.
Thanks. I never do it anymore.
Vince, you ready to do this?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right. Congratulations! How'd that feel, Vince?
That felt awesome.
Awesome, you did great.
Thanks.
Happy birthday! You gonna come back and do it again?
Yeah, probably. I don't know. That was pretty fun.
Sweet.
How sweet was that? How sweet was that?
Crazy.
That was so fun.
We'll see you next time, Vince.
Really good job, buddy.
See you next time.
All right, thanks.